Right guys, so here I am rebuilding my brake caliper, well all four of them, as on the MX5 300zx project. So that's my piston, cleaned up, looking good. Right, and I'm gonna put the new rubbers in and do all of that. That's my caliper, cleaned up. Might as well give it another rinse here. So using heavy duty brake pad cleaner. Obviously you don't want any rubbish in there, and some of that to just wipe it clean. Obviously you don't want any debris or nothing in there, because your life depends on this, right? And especially with this big muscle that I've got in the MX5, I will need that stopping power, right? So that's pretty clean, you can see there, brake dust free. Right, next would be to add some of the grease on the old seal there. So they say the red grease is the best one for the rubbers, so I'll be doing that, using that, show that everything is good. Right, next, slide it in. This one is pretty easy. It's the other one that seems to be challenging, but I've figured out a way. Well, another guy on YouTube had one, did one, which his approach seems to work better. Right, using some brake fluid. I found this guy is ideal to work much better than all of the other funny stuff. So yeah, just putting some brake fluid on the inside and that rubber seal as well. And then some on your piston. Right around the piston, put that on. Next is the outer seal. Right, from there, this actually it's easy to slide it over, the piston, or put it on from the bottom. I'm just dragging it over from the bottom, and then you just pull this down. Actually I'll go from the top, so then it actually drags it down. Right, so just drag it down. Drag it down. Turn it. Oh no. That wasn't good. Just came right off. Like that. Right, got it. So move it down until about there. Right, and then obviously your brake caliper, what I tend to do is push it in the area in the back in first, which makes it then easier, because that's the most difficult area to actually get in. So what also helps is the weight of the actual piston pushes it down as well. So from there. Let's try that again. That's in. Right, so here I'm just using this little screwdriver and just press it in like that. Press it all around. Up bit. There you go. That's another bit in here. That. Right, so what I tend to do is obviously just go around it to make sure that you've got it properly seated there. Right, as you can see, that's properly seated. Now obviously getting in your piston straight and then push the piston up. Just with a little tug. There we go. Give it a little tug, push it in completely so that so that's slipped on there. Right, so that, as you can see, slipped on. You push it further so that it's flush. There you go. That's seated properly now. Right, everything is good. And now I'm going to replace the bleeding valves. I bought bleeding nipples, new ones. That'll go in, and all the other rubbers for the rest of the caliper. Right, drag that over, and the rest. And then I'm going to do the rear ones. I'm replacing all of these rubbers as well, so that'll come out the piston. Replace the pistons seals inside. Got that as well. These rubber pistons are around here, and then put that on, and then get back to the car to fit all of the subframe and stuff. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll be back with some more video clips. Don't forget to subscribe to get an update on the project. Cheers, thank you.